Got a phone and Wi-Fi? Then you already have everything you need to transform your life. Not in 10 years, not in 1 year. How about a month? Right now, people who understand AI create viral videos in hours and attract clients on autopilot. They get paid for work that looks like magic to everyone else. That's where the money flows. If you learn even one of these AI tools today, your skills, income, and opportunities will never be the same. You will get an unfair advantage. Think you are already behind? I will prove you wrong in the next 15 minutes. Most people think Notion is just a notes app. That belief hides its real power. Notion AI works like an external brain that remembers everything, connects everything, and helps you think clearly when your head feels overloaded. You can dump ideas, screenshots, links, plans, client messages, learning notes, and random thoughts into one space, then ask the AI to summarize, structure, rewrite, and turn chaos into clear systems. The hidden power is this: you are not storing information. You are building a living system that thinks with you. The 3 strongest things you can ask your workspace: summarize everything I learned about YouTube this month, turn these messy notes into a step-by-step plan, analyze my ideas and tell me which one has the highest potential. It becomes your strategist, planner, editor, and assistant inside one tool. You can start on the free plan and already build serious systems without paying. Real scenario number 1, turning your knowledge into paid consulting. You learn a topic deeply, structure it inside Notion AI, and use it to deliver sharp audits and strategies in 1 hour. Clients see clarity, results, and pay $100 to $300 per session while your system does the heavy lifting. Real scenario number 2, running your entire content machine. You manage ideas, scripts, posts, and weekly plans inside Notion AI and generate content on demand. Instead of staring at a blank page, you type one request and receive ready material in seconds. Mental chaos keeps people stuck. Notion AI gives you leverage while others stay overwhelmed, and that gap compounds fast. Tool number 2, WindSurf. The moment you realize you can actually build software. Here is the uncomfortable truth. You no longer need to know how to code to create real products. WindSurf is an AI coding environment where you describe what you want in plain language and it builds alongside you. You say, create a landing page with pricing and a contact form, and the structure appears. You say, improve the layout and make it more premium, and it rewrites the project. Your role shifts from confused beginner to product creator. You can use it to build websites, internal tools, small SaaS products, automations, and prototypes in days instead of months. The free access already gives enough power to learn and ship real projects. How this turns into money fast. You offer local businesses a new website delivered in 2 days. WindSurf builds the base, you refine the content, and you deliver something that looks agency level. One project pays hundreds or thousands, while the real work takes hours. Or you build a tiny tool that solves one painful problem for a niche audience and sell access for a small monthly fee. One viral post can bring hundreds of users overnight. People think software creation belongs to engineers. WindSurf quietly removes that wall. Tool number 3, Nano Banana Pro, Photoshop power without Photoshop skills. There was a time when people who mastered Photoshop early made serious money. They edited photos, created banners, fixed images, and everyone paid them because it felt like magic. That era collapsed for many designers. The opportunity did not disappear, it shifted. Nano Banana Pro turns you into a high-level visual editor without technical knowledge. You describe what you want in normal language, and the edit happens. You can remove objects, change backgrounds, fix lighting, enhance faces, adjust colors, generate new scenes, replace products, and create entire compositions by simply explaining the result. You are no longer fighting layers, masks, and tools. You are directing outcomes. You can say things like, replace the background with a luxury hotel room, change this outfit to a black leather jacket, turn this product image into a high-end ad visual. The output looks professional, fast, and repeatable. And it's not a toy. You can actually make big money with this. Brands used to pay thousands for ad creatives, product visuals, and design packages. Now they want faster turnaround and stronger results. You offer meta ad creatives, thumbnails, product images, and social visuals with delivery in hours. A business pays a few hundred per batch, sees performance improve, and keeps returning because you scale, deliver on time, and keep quality consistent. You move from, I am bad at design, to, I deliver agency-level visuals without years of training. Tool number 4, N8N, the engine that automates your entire digital life. Most people waste hours every day on copy-paste work. That time disappears forever. N8N is a visual automation tool that connects your apps and builds workflows that run without you. You drag blocks, connect logic, and suddenly, your tools start talking to each other. Emails get sorted automatically. Leads get saved into your CRM. Notion updates itself. Google Sheets fills itself. Client onboarding runs while you sleep. This feels like hiring an invisible assistant who works 24/7. You can build flows like, when someone fills your form, create a client folder, send a welcome email, and add them to your system. When you publish a video, auto-generate captions, save assets, and plan the next post. When you receive a lead, score it and prioritize the hottest ones. Businesses drown in manual operations and broken processes. You learn N8N once, then offer automation setup as a service. You walk into a small company, map their chaos, and replace it with clean, automated flows. They save hours every week and happily pay hundreds or thousands for a system that keeps working long after you finish. You stop trading time for money and start selling systems. Tool number 5, Suno. The moment you realize you can create music on demand. Music used to require talent, years of training, and expensive software. Suno removes that barrier. You describe a song in plain language, and it generates full tracks with vocals, lyrics, melody, and emotion. You can create background music, intros, viral songs, brand anthems, and audio identity in minutes. You can say, create a dark cinematic intro for my YouTube channel. Make a motivational hip-hop track about discipline. Generate chill background music for study videos. This niche is lucrative. Content creators need music. Brands need audio identity. TikTok and Reels reward original sound. You offer custom tracks for creators, intro music for channels, sound branding for small businesses, or viral songs for marketing campaigns. One good track can travel across platforms and bring attention, clients, and opportunities back to you. You stop consuming content. You start producing assets. And this is still far from the limit of what is possible. The part that actually changes your life. Watching impressive AI examples does nothing. Saving tools into bookmarks does nothing. Leverage appears only when you start using them. You do not need money to start. You need time and action. Here is the simple path. 1. Start with a real problem, something annoying that people want solved. 2. Ask 10 friends what small problem they would happily pay to remove. 3. Pick one clear problem that shows real demand. 4. Choose the right tool for this problem and create a free account. 5. Build the solution, even if it feels clunky or imperfect. 6. Show it to real people, get feedback, improve it, repeat. That first version will look amateur. That is normal. The second version gets better. The third version starts feeling real. The 10th version can already earn money. This is how skills form. This is how confidence appears. This is how income shifts. You do not need permission. You do not need a perfect plan. You need your first messy attempt. Start today.